5 techniques to make your email subject line stand out. Your subject line will certainly stand out and your email will be open if you make your email unique, useful to the reader, and focused on what the reader either needs to know or wants to know. You are probably already aware of those things. The following tips may not be so obvious to you. Number 1. First, you must identify yourself. This means using your own personal name, not some random or misleading name. It is safe to say that all names that are not your own personal name may lead the reader to mistrusting you or ignoring you. Number 2. Remember each time that you send an email, you are representing your brand and building your brand loyalty. Even if you make minuscule changes, such as Adam Smith to John Smith, it can still negatively impact your relationship with your readers. Number 3. Never misrepresent your email by including misleading comments that have no relevance to the reader's actions. For example, your order is complete, or click here for your download link. Those false claims will undoubtedly lead to readers ignoring you or even hating you. Number 4. Create a sense of urgency every once in a while. Do not say, "Time is running out," or "There are only a few copies left" in every email. Making these kinds of statements all the time will lead readers to catching on and realizing that you are not telling the truth. In other words, making these statements too frequently will result in readers feeling no urgency at all. And lastly, and number 5, try to condense your emails as much as possible. Remember, the overwhelming majority of your readers will be reading from their smartphone.